Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2021 Nissan Sylphy Smart Key.
We need to prepare for K518 Pro. OBD communication cable, 16 plus 32 gateway cable, an original car key and a new smart key. Now plug in 1632 gateway cable and OBD communication cable. The first step is to choose smart key generation. Select Nissan. Find Sylphy. Select the third menu. Put the Nissan key produced by our Lonsdor into the card slot. Click Generate. Generation successfully. Return to main menu. The second step is to select IMO and remote. Find Nissan. From Vehicle, Asia. Find New Sylphy, B18. Select after 2019. Smart Key. Select Add Smart Key. Please operate under the guidance of a professional. Click OK. This function can use the Nissan 1632 gateway cable. Click OK. According to the prompts, all keys must be programmed. Click OK. Please turn on the ignition switch. Click OK. The VENG was read successfully and click OK. Pin read successfully. Turn off the ignition. Turn on emergency flasher. Click OK when done. Turn on the ignition. OK, long press to turn off the ignition switch. Turn on 2 flashlights. OK. Follow the prompts. Place the original car key at the ignition switch. Finish. Click OK. Number of new keys 0. Number of original car keys 1. Put another key. Follow the same method. Click OK. Number of new keys 1. Number of original car keys 1. Click Cancel. Place the original car key at the ignition switch. OK. The program is successful, whether it programs the next one. OK. Put another key. Follow the same method. Click OK when done. Programmed successfully, does not need to match the next one. Click Cancel. Number of successfully programmed keys 2. OK. OK. Let's try to see if the remote control is normal. The first key locks the car. Unlock. The second key to lock the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal. Let's try the key again. Can you drive normally? First key, step on the brake and press the start button. The first key to start the car successfully. Second key, step on the brake and press the start button. The second key started successfully.
We have programmed the Smart Key for 2021 Nissan Sylphy. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more spread ahead.